Flaus Electric Flosser. Let's unbox it and try it out. A world of flossability, giving Charlie and the Chocolate Factory vibes. The product boxing is pretty legit. Charging cable and stand. This is a rechargeable electric flosser. Let's try it out. We're gonna turn it on. There's a little button right here. Ah, there we go. There are settings. So you have low, medium, high. Okay, the whole thing is vibrating. The handle is nice, ergonomic. I can get a good grip with this. The floss is very similar to like a tape floss. You see how it's flat? It's not stringy or ropey. Let's floss. Oh, it tickles. Oh, it tickles my nose. I don't know, hold on. If you use it on the low setting, you have to click all the way through to get to the off. To take the floss off, push, and it comes off. Now let's talk cost. On their website, they have a bundle and save option right now, and that is $99, and it comes with the flosser, the charging station, and the 45 floss heads. So basically this bundle, $99. And that's only if you want to subscribe. So when you do the subscription, there are 90 floss heads that are delivered every 3 months. So 30 a month, 1 a day, one-time use. I would recommend this to patients. I'm gonna have this in my operatory so patients can see it and feel it and compare it with other options. Will you try the Flaus Electric Flosser?